Hi, and welcome to this course, Configuration Management for Containerized Delivery. My name is Marcel de Vries.
Hi, my name is Luc Duis. We will be the instructors that will guide you through this course.
The goal of this course is to give you a good understanding on the concepts behind containerized delivery. We will learn first the basics on containers and how to build and deploy your solutions using containers and Docker. Containers can run on your local machine, but the real power lies in the fact that these exact same containers can also run in production, giving you a very nice and consistent way of bringing software to production.
In production environments, containers run on a set of machines managed by cluster orchestration software. Some orchestration tools are available in Microsoft Azure. We will have a look at how you can use them to run your own containers. We will show you this for both Azure Container Services and Azure Service Fabric.
Of course, a cluster needs to be set up in such a way that we can manage and operate it. So you will learn how to configure the cluster and how to manage them so that you have constant insights in how your application is doing in production, and you can scale up and down based on demand and deploy containers without having any downtime.
You will learn how a cluster works, how to set it up, and how you can manage a production environment. Then you will learn how to deploy your containers on the cluster using continuous delivery infrastructure like Visual Studio Team Services.
This course consists out of 4 modules. The first module is called Containerization. In this module we will go into detail on what containers are, how to create container images, and how to manage multiple containers using tools like Docker. After this first module, you have enough insights in why containers help you deliver solutions in a faster and more predictable way, as we have done in the past with a lot of scripting technologies.
Module 2 is called Azure Container Services. In this module, we will have a look at how to set up a production cluster to host your containers. We will also have a short look at the different cluster orchestrators that are available on Azure: DCOS, Docker Swarm, and Kubernetes. These are the available cluster orchestrators at this moment. You will learn how to scale up the cluster, manage data, and set up monitoring to proactively keep track of the cluster's health and its deployed applications. Module 3 is about Service Fabric. Service Fabric is a cluster management solution that is built by Microsoft. It is used to run many of the platform as a service solutions on Azure, like Azure SQL Database and DocumentDB. We can use the same technology Microsoft uses to run microservice applications. Service Fabric now also supports hosting containers. In this module we will have a look at how to create, monitor and manage a Service Fabric cluster. Also, you will see how to deploy containerized workloads to the cluster.
Module 4 is called Cross-Cutting Concerns. This module is a very short module where we will address a couple of things that apply to both ACS as Service Fabric hosted solutions. This will help us manage and maintain the cluster and the containers in a better way. After completing all 4 modules, you should be ready to create your own containerized applications, deploy it to one of the available cluster container solutions using continuous delivery pipelines. And we will also show you how you can manage these clusters in production scenarios.